Hello and welcome to my channel Brown Mom's Cooking. Today we're gonna make 3 different types of milkshakes that are really healthy and you will enjoy in summers. The first milkshake that we're gonna make is mango milkshake. For this milkshake we need plain yogurt, mango pulp, and some ice cubes. And then I'm gonna add some sugar, and some dry fruits. You can avoid dry fruits if you don't like them. Now I'm gonna blend it until it's smooth. And my mango milkshake is ready. Now I'm gonna serve this in the glass. And garnish it with some dry fruits. My mango milkshake is ready. Next milkshake that I'm going to make is banana milkshake. For this, I'll add some cashews in there and some dry fruits. And then I'll add bananas, milk, some ice cubes, and honey. I avoided adding sugar in this. Now I'm gonna blend it until it's smooth. My milkshake is done. Now I'm gonna serve this milkshake into glass. And garnish it with some dry fruits. My banana milkshake is done. Next milkshake is banana and kiwi milkshake. For this, you need milk, bananas, some kiwi, and ice cubes, and some dry fruits, and honey. Now I'm going to blend it. And my milkshake is done. Now I'm gonna serve it in glass and garnish it with a piece of kiwi. And my banana and kiwi milkshake is done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.